everyone, welcome to Mass English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today, I'm gonna share a fact on the topic, know it now. Why do people say bless you when you sneeze? People say bless you when you sneeze because when you sneeze, your heartbeat stops for a millisecond. Few people say that it is a superstitious belief to say bless you after sneezing. And few people say it is a part of good manners. See you soon in the next video with a new fact. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and ShareChat. Thank you.